Welcome to Part 100 of Daily English. Today's situation. Everyday Problems Review. Let's review what you've learned in Unit 10. I lost my wallet. Example. I lost my wallet, but I found it later. My phone isn't working. Example. My phone isn't working, so I need some help. Can you help me, please? Example. Can you help me, please? I don't know what to do. I'd like to make a complaint. Example. I'd like to make a complaint because the product doesn't work properly. Let's solve this problem. Example. Let's solve this problem together. I'd like to speak to customer service. Example. I'd like to speak to customer service about my order. I'd like to return this product. Example. I'd like to return this product because it's damaged. I'd like to request a refund. Example. I'd like to request a refund because the product is defective. Help. Example. Help. Someone call an ambulance. Mini conversation. Customer, excuse me. I'd like to speak to customer service. Agent, certainly. How can I help you today? Customer, I'd like to return this product and request a refund because it doesn't work properly. Agent, I'm sorry for the inconvenience. We'll take care of it right away. Customer, thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. Daily tip. Congratulations! You can now describe everyday problems, ask for help, make complaints, talk to customer service, return products, request refunds, and communicate during emergencies. These practical conversations will help you feel more confident in real-life situations. Speaking challenge. Imagine you bought a defective product, contacted customer service, requested a refund, solved the problem, and finally received your money back. Tell the complete story using at least 10 sentences and include as many expressions from this unit as you can. Congratulations on finishing Unit 10. You've completed the first 100 daily English lessons. Continue learning English with Avetra edu.